Nothing cool there. Oh, actually that's kind of cool. Look at that little pocket. Nothing. No. No. Oop. Check that out. That's cool. Very clear chalcedony. There's another little piece of something. Petrified wood, maybe? It's very pretty material. It's green. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. All right, onwards. This is part 4. Hoping this one will be a little bit shorter. Look at this. That little wash. Dark red. Ooh, look at that. Dark red. Very pretty. You guys hear the waterfall? Oh, a little glass. My daughter loves it when I bring her back glass, so I'm gonna keep her that. Melted glass, huh? Ooh, look at this. It's got a little bit, just a window there. We'll leave it. Grab the bag. Petrified wood? You guys think? Maybe not. Maybe just sedimentary. I don't know what this is. 1 second. Ooh, this is cool. I don't know if it's petrified wood or not. It looks really cool though. I like the different color changes. I wish there was more layers. You might have to take this back. Ooh, look at that. Look at the 3 colors on this guy. We're gonna kind of keep this video a little shorter. Just a little 5-minute one. I guess you guys would riot if I ended it without showing you the waterfall. So here we go. Everyone loves a good waterfall. Although, to be fair, isn't this like one of the most pathetic waterfalls you've ever seen? I guess a while back in the past, they used to board this thing up during the winter time and get themselves a nice dam going on. I wonder if they just couldn't bother maintaining it, or if they're not allowed to anymore. All right, that's it for the video. Thank you.